but this will extend the usefulness, the life, and maybe, even ensure the survival long term of internal combustion engines as part of the automotive experience and reality as we move into the future.
We also believe that widespread adoption of carbon-neutral fuels require increasing their use. As announced yesterday, we will work with Idemitsu Kosan, ENEOS, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries to consider establishing a carbon-neutral fuel supply chain as part of this effort. The inline four-cylinder engine has been refined over its long history. The simple structure and highly flexible installation requires